Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So we have a word problem today. This is going to be a short video because you're going to do the word problem, not me. But I'm going to read it to you, okay? So, remember what I want you to do when you read a problem or someone reads it to you is to really think about what's going on. Because if you look at this, what a lot of kids do is they look at word problems and all they see is numbers because they're thinking math, right? They're like, oh, I see a 10 and I see a 5 and I'm going to put them together. I'm going to make 15. That's got to be the answer. And like, maybe it is. Or maybe like, oh, I got 10 and 5. I'm going to subtract and get the answer. And maybe that's the answer. Maybe it isn't. But you haven't really taken the time to think about the problem, right? You got to think about the problem, see what's going on here. Okay. So let's think about it. Let's read it and think about it. So it says Annabelle has 10 dolls. That's pretty good. She gave 5 of them to her friend Kaylee. How many dolls does Annabelle still have? So there's a lot of ways that you could solve this. If you use your Rec and Rec or counters or cubes or double 10 frame, then circle what you used, okay? And then see if maybe you could also draw a picture. All right, it's good to be able to solve things different ways. Maybe you can do this in your head. You just have to kind of draw out like what it is that you did in your head. Okay, you could even use the number path. So first of all, you have to decide, are you adding or subtracting? And then you need to figure out the answer based on what you've decided. Okay? But remember, Annabelle has 10 dolls, and she gave 5 of them away to her friend Kaylee. So how many does she still have is the question. All right? Good luck. So listen, tomorrow, there's no word problem. Just write your own. Make up your own word problem. Yeah, like, don't worry about spelling or grammar. Just come up with some interesting word problem, right? Like, it could be anything. It could be like, Godzilla, like, stepped on and crushed 8 cars, and then he ate 6 more cars. How many cars did he actually destroy? You'd be like, 8, and then 6 more. That's like 14 cars. Like, make it fun. Maybe Godzilla's not your thing. I don't know. Maybe it's like a sport, or it's I don't know. I'm not you. So you figure it out. You write a word problem, but make sure that you do the whole thing. So I want you to write the word problem tomorrow. Draw a picture. Use some manipulatives. Okay. Circle what you use, and then write your number sentence. Okay. All right, boys and girls. Don't have too much fun without me. All right. But just kidding. Have a great time. Have a great weekend. Be good, be safe, be kind, be all those good things. And I'll see you very soon. All right. Bye-bye.